Yeah, I have no idea what to pack.
I am the chosen.
Ace's giant bag of food. So, no, okay, you're still gonna keep going. What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena for those who are new. In today's video, we are going to be packing, cleaning, washing, and just preparing ourselves because we are going to be on a trip to Houston. You heard me? That's right. We're taking another road trip. I feel like you just guys will see this very often from me, is we take a lot of road trips, especially to Austin, Houston, Dallas. It's usually just like Central Texas because apparently that's where all the cool shit happens. But this isn't like a typical weekend trip that we normally take. I will actually be gone for probably about like 2 to 3 weeks. I'm gonna be house sitting for my dad, so I'm super excited but nervous at the same time. I'm mostly nervous because I'm gonna be far away from home for a while, and I'm not gonna have Mario. He's only gonna be there for the weekend and then he has to come back home to work. But I'm also excited because I'm not gonna be fully alone. I am gonna have Ace with me and I'm gonna take him to go explore Houston. It's gonna be a fun change of scenery. I haven't fully been on my own in a while, nor done like a little solo trip by myself. Not since moving, because it's usually been like the 3 to 4 of us, me, Mario, Ace, and Zeus. So I'm just mostly excited for the new experiences and just to kind of get that alone time by myself. So I'm gonna get to take you guys along with me. Hopefully you guys will also enjoy it. But we also have some exciting other things happening. We are going down to Austin that same weekend. I'm gonna go see a friend of mine and we're gonna go to the Trilogy concert, which I'm so excited because I'm gonna get to see Melanie again, and I love my girl Mel. I did see her last year for the Portal concert, so if you wanted to see that, that will be linked up here. That was another road trip we took to San Diego, which was super fun. Now I get to see her again this year, and we're also gonna get to see her again in June, so look out for that as well. We also have some friends we're gonna see. I have friends to see, so it's gonna be like a full probably 2 to 3 weekends of nothing but like fun, and I'm excited to bring y'all along. I was just editing a reel. I finished one. I still need to edit probably about 3 to 4 more before we hit the road. And then I got to do some other things. Ace, I don't know where he's at, but that little dude needs a bath, like a double cleanse bath, because someone likes to go outside, sit in the dirt and sand, accumulate it all into his beautiful fur, and then come right back inside and just drag it in. So he needs that bath before we leave, so he is fresh and clean before he goes into my dad's house, because unfortunately he is a little bit of allergic to dogs, which I'm sorry, Dad, that's something you gotta deal with. So we gotta get him clean for that. I still need a pack because I'm a procrastinator with that. So I think that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and stop rambling and let's go ahead and get into this pack and prepping. Yeah, I have no idea what to pack. Normally, whenever it is just like a weekend trip, it's not that hard to pack for the weekend because you're only going for like 2 to 3 days, maybe 4 max. But I'm gonna be gone for like 2 to 3 weeks and I have no idea, absolutely no idea what to pack. So I'm just packing, whoops. So I'm just packing whatever I think fits best. I could potentially be overpacking as well, but I rather overpack than underpack so I don't have to spend money. So yeah, tip of the day, overpack, don't underpack. So I have basically all my shoes in here. Seems kind of extensive, but it's not. It's for reasons. And then I have some other stuff over here, like my skincare is all in here, as well as like my hair brushes. This is a makeup bag full of makeup brushes, and this is mostly like my everyday makeup that I use. And then I have my little jewelry box right here, and then the typical deodorant, perfume, mist, and lotion. Now I'm gonna try to fit it all in this bag, because this other bag down here that you saw me pack is filled to the brim with just clothes, and I could not fit anything on there. And to be fair, I don't have anything bigger than that, because that's the only carry-on luggage that I have, because I don't travel enough to where I'm staying somewhere for longer than a weekend. So I didn't prep to pack this much.
Nope. Gotcha, bitch.
Oops. All right, we don't got a broken zipper. That's all that matters. And I can fit this together in here. Okay, that closes up. I'll fit this into this pocket.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Not I believe in myself. Got it. I'm probably gonna put this in a different bag because I need to put my toothbrush and toothpaste in here as well. But I fit some other stuff in here, so this is the second bag that's going with me. It's a whole backpack. Oh my god. So I did make like a full checklist here of what I have to pack, and I got pretty much everything that I need. My clothes, got my workout shoes, swimsuit. You didn't see me put it in, but I did put it in there like last minute because I forgot about it. Shoes, lotion, okay. I haven't packed a pillow or a blanket, but that's like last minute. And then miscellaneous stuff, I did pack my jewelry, brush, makeup. So just 3 more things on that. And then I have this whole electronic side, yay. And then I also still have what I have to pack for Ace. We already got 2 bags. Hopefully I can fit a lot in my tiny car. Wish me luck. Okay, so before any road trip, I gotta make sure my car is at least clean, because sometimes it likes to get dirty, especially when we have 2 dogs. Freaking unlock. So let's check this car. Actually cleaned it not too long ago. It's just more dirty on the outside than anything else, but the inside I think is okay. Let's check. Okay, well, I have the tarp here, so I'm not gonna move that since Ace is gonna be here. But what I will do is I will wash it because it's fucking disgusting. That's out. There's a jacket back here. Found a Sharpie. Toilet paper. Yeah. In case you gotta go to the bathroom, you gotta blow your nose. You know, toilet paper's so versatile. Except when we ran out of it during COVID. Hey look, it's my exam. It wasn't my exam, it was my midterm. I got a D.
Yes. I am the chosen. And the chosen must clean its car before this trip. Hee hee.
You know, really, it's not as bad in here as I thought it'd be. What are these? I just have random... Okay. I don't know where these came from. We got an empty pup cup. We got another empty cup. My midterm. And a receipt from PetSmart. I got reindeer antlers, so that's fun. We got some more pup cups. Chip bags from the last road trip. Lottery ticket that I didn't win, unfortunately. More bags of chips. Empty bags of chips. Those are just pens and highlighters, so I don't care. That's pretty much it. I mean, my car wasn't as sturdy as I thought it would be, so that's nice. I have this backpack here. It has pretty much mostly my electronics. So like my laptop stand. It's helpful if I want to stand up. This has my hard drive and extra SD cards in case. I'm taking one book and a Kindle. So in case I do finish this book, I can at least read something off of my Kindle. And then I have my laptop and my iPad for editing and such things. And I have my journal so I can journal while I'm over there. My pens and pencil and my notebook for ideas. Besides this, I am taking some other electronic things. I have this with my extra little camera just because this is smaller than the one I'm filming on, and a little GoPro, and that's about it. Okay, we have this giant Whataburger bag. I think the stuff will fit in here better because it does not fit in that bag. So we got Ace's giant bag of food. So I got the big bag of food in here. I got his chew toys so he can chew while he's either in the car or at the house. And then I have 2 other balls to play with him in the backyard. Since he is a heavy boy, just 2 brushes, simple, small, big, that's all we need. And then his food bowl. I'm gonna pack his water bowl as well, but since they are still needing water to hydrate, I'm not gonna pack that till the last minute. Are you ready, Bobs? Are you ready? Are you ready to go on this 10-hour trip? Huh? Are you ready to be in the car for 10 hours? Unfortunately, you have to go back home to your mom. We can't take you on this trip as much as we would love to. Yo, we're at frickin' Subway. You can't prep and prepare unless you prepare yourself, and that's by fueling yourself. I'm starving and I cannot wait to eat this. So I got Mexican Cali wrap. It has rotisserie chicken, lettuce, cucumber, baja, chipotle, spinach, tomatoes. So I'm excited, and we're watching Kung Fu Panda, so let's see. Time for a bath. Hope you're ready. Stay. He's not really a big fan of this. But boy. Scrub, scrub, scrub-a-dub-dub, scrub, scrub, scrub-a-dub-dub. Wash them mirrors, wash them mirrors, wash them mirrors, wash them mirrors, wash, wash, scrub, 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 scrub. If it's not soapy, it's not clean. Next important thing is to wash the paws, because he likes to play in the dirt a lot, and so his paws are pretty muddy. You can't really see it, but he always has a shit ton of dirt coming off of his paws. You have so much dirt coming off you, Bubs. Oh! He did such an amazing job, Bubs. He did such an amazing job. Now we just squeeze out all the water. We squeeze out all the water. All right, you're free. He's still down. You gotta try it up. You gotta try it up. You gotta try yourself. Right. You gotta try yourself. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Shake and dry, shake and dry, shake and dry, shake and dry, shake and dry. All that hair and dirt from you, dude. I hope you're proud of yourself. Ready? What's that? Go. 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 Every time. Did you enjoy yourself? No? Okay, you're still gonna keep going. Now to dry up this place. But bath is done. Pretty much over with this pack and prep. Say hello. Say oh, thank you. Thank you for the vessels. Thank you. Okay, so it's currently almost 10. And we did everything that was done on today's to-do list, so good job. Thank you for being here with me. But that's pretty much it for this pack and prep video with me. We are actually getting ready to head on to our road trip to Houston, so stay tuned for that video so you guys can come along. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.